Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Open your English book, grade 7 English book. Today we will read unit number 20, The Master Thief. Open unit number 20 at page number 128. The Master Thief. The main character of the story was the old man and his wife and their losted son. And after a long time, he was losted, and one day he came back, and the old man and his lady was very excited to find their losted son. But when they comes to know that he is a master thief, they were very upset because they think that if Count comes to know about it that their son is thief and stealing the things, they will swing him on gallows. So what they will do with them, but their son make was very assured that the Lord will not do the things with him, and he went by his own to the count and their son was much confident, and he went by his own to the Lord and admit that I am a thief and stealing things, but not of poors, only the excess riches of rich people. I just steal it and spend it on poors. He gave him a task to stole his favorite horse from the stable. He made a master plan for it, and he was succeeded in his planning. He stole his favorite horse and gave it to the Lord. The Lord was not inspired from his act, and he actually told him that whatever you are doing, but the thiefness is not proper in your life, and the people will not consider you a good man. So this story is about a thief. Let's start reading of this story at page number 128. One day an old man and his wife were sitting in front of their rather shabby cottage, having a little rest from their labors. Suddenly there came towards them a magnificent carriage drawn by two white horses, and a richly clad gentleman alighted from it. The peasant stood up, went up to the gentleman, and asked what was his pleasure and in what way he could serve him. The stranger shook hands with the old man and said, I have no other wish than for once to enjoy a simple country dish. Prepare me some potatoes the way you are used to have them. Then I will sit down with you at your table and will be delighted to eat them. The peasant laughed and said, You must be a count, or a prince, or even a duke. Noblemen sometimes have such fancies. However, your wish shall be fulfilled. In this paragraph, they are telling us that the old man did work in his garden, and one stranger man came to him and wants to introduce himself with them and wants to take a meal with them on a table. Fancies mean khayal, peasant mean kisan, magnificent shandar, carriage, gadi. Start. Second paragraph of this page. The wife went into the kitchen and started to wash and cook the potatoes to make potato cake with them. While she was at work, the peasant said to the stranger, Come into my garden for a while, sir. I still have some work to do there. He had dug holes in the garden and wanted to put in some trees. Have you any children? Asked the stranger. Who could assist you in your work? No, answered the peasant. To be sure, I had one, he added, but he went out into the wide world a long time ago. He was an undutiful boy, clever and deep, but he would not learn anything and was always up to some kind of trick. At last he ran away, and I haven't heard anything of him since. The old man took a young tree, put it in its hole, and drove a pole into the ground beside it. And when he had shoveled enough earth and stamped the soil around it, he tied The tree fast to the pole below, above, and in the middle with a rope of straw. In this paragraph, they are discussing about his lost son, and the meaning of difficult words are undutiful mean नाकाबिले तलाफ़ी, stamped mean मोहर लगा दी, shoveled mean बेलचा. So read this page again and again and send your reading videos on our given WhatsApp number. Thank you.